coming out here to get some more peppers. I want to see if I can get my wife to make some more of that good hot sauce that she makes. So we're gonna see what's ripe. All right, we'll take this cayenne pepper right here. Got a couple jalapenos. We'll take those. Let's come down the line here, see what's ripe. We got a Hungarian wax pepper that's starting to turn. We'll take that. What else we got going? Got a couple habaneros. Now we're gonna wait till those turn red. Let's take this bell pepper right here. Got a couple Hungarian wax peppers we'll take off of here. This thing is littered with them. We're just gonna take the more mature looking ones. Help this plant give some more energy to the smaller ones. Got a couple jalapenos. I'll snip a few of those from this one. I'll leave the rest. I'll take this one here. Take this little guy. Now, this hot sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit more chili peppers and habanero to make it a little bit more spicy. So we definitely wanna nip these ones that are turning red. This one's getting a little bit, this one's starting to rot a little bit. So I'm gonna clip that part off, take the rest in the house. Half is better than nothing, right? Some peppers are better than no peppers. All right, we got some good, bright, fiery red cayennes right there. Let's see, what else we got? These are a bit immature still. These Hungarian wax peppers. I might take this one. I'll take that one right there. I'll take this guy too. Got jalapeno. Nice. Jalapeno. That's what?
It's rolling. No, the one right you were just touching.
Here? No. Let's see what else we got ripe here. This plant's starting to get tall. I'm gonna leave these on there. The length on these things look like they're gonna get a lot bigger. Well, that might be it for the backyard. I want to take these bell peppers though, so this plant can start standing back up. Stand tall, stand tall. I'll take this one too. We want hot peppers. Where are the hot peppers? Where are you? I'll take this bell pepper too. We're gonna make a nice dish. Oh, we got some jalapenos. That's nice, that's pretty. Look at that. I'll take this guy too. We want to facilitate more growth, more pepper growth on this plant. We'll take this Hungarian wax pepper right here. think that's it for the backyard for now. All right. We are in the front yard food forest now. I got the scale out here, and we're gonna weigh everything after it's all said and done. But let's see what else we got that's ripe. We got this bell pepper. We're gonna take this bell pepper. I'll take that guy off right there. I'll leave him on for a little bit longer, maybe another couple days. What else we got going on here? We got a little bell pepper. We'll leave that. Oh, look at that ghost pepper. Sheesh, I want to wait for that to turn reddish orange. Some Hungarian wax peppers. We're going to take these. I'm going to take this guy too. See what else is right down there. I'll take it. I'm going to take these Cayenne. The fiery hot ones, the fiery red ones. We have a good hot sauce now. And we will harvest this habanero right here. This fiery red habanero. Can you get it? Can you get that? This fiery red habanero right here. We will harvest that one. That's going in the hot sauce too. Gotta keep the kale protected. Must protect the kale. Oh yeah, we got a good one right here. Let's snip that guy. Anything? Got a bunch of jalapenos on here, but I prefer them to be a little bit more ripe than that. And that looks to be it. We got some more on here, not ripe. And on this one, no, nothing's ripe. We even got one right here. I'll take this one, just to help facilitate some more growth on there. All right. We got this Hungarian wax pepper right here on this sad looking plant. We'll take that one. Anything else? Got an avocado tree doing its thing in there. I think that's it out front. So now we're gonna go find a spot to go weigh it out. I'm about to weigh out today's harvest here, except for this tomato. We're just doing all peppers right now. And I got a habanero that I took a bite of, so we're still gonna put that on top. All right, so I'll do the bell peppers first. We got just over a pound of bell peppers. No, just over 10 grams. We got just over 10. All right, we got just over 10 ounces of bell peppers. We'll do jalapenos next. All right, yep. So about 5 ounces of jalapenos. Let's do Hungarian wax peppers. All right. We're at 1 pound, 4.8 ounces. And then we got the Cayenne. Okay, 1 pound, 2 ounces. And then we got the rest of this habanero. It's the cherry on top, right? So today's pepper harvest, 1 pound, 6.5 ounces. Nice.